Hey guys, welcome to Casual Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing Loot Crate Marvel Gears and Goods. This is for July 2018, and I gotta tell you, this box is really heavy, so I'm excited to see what's inside. Okay, let's get this unboxed. I will leave the prices and links to this box below if you're interested in getting one. Okay, in this month's box we have good is not a thing you are, it's a thing you do. Okay, this is what's inside, and we'll take stuff out one at a time. So the t-shirt is, oh cool, I like this t-shirt. Okay, it's She-Hulk. Oh cool, that's actually awesome. I like it. I've never had a She-Hulk t-shirt. Or anything else, as a matter of fact. But that's the t-shirt. And the t-shirt's super soft. And the design is actually really soft as well. So, here's the tag. And let me try this thing on. I like the colors too, black and white. Okay. Okay, this is it. I like these t-shirts. I forget what they're called. I think they're called ringers or whatever they're called, but whatever they are, I like it. I like the design and I like the colors. So I have one of these, but a Deadpool one, which I love and I do wear a lot. Okay, next item we have the Wasp bookmark. Okay, let's check it out. Look at this. It's a bookmark for my books that I never read. But I will use this, definitely. This is it right here. Pretty sweet. I've never had a bookmark like this before. Usually I just bend the pages. Okay, so that's cool. Next item, we have a poster. And this is how all posters should be sent. I mean, look at this. That's a thick tube that houses your poster. This way the posters don't get too damaged, I guess. Let's see what kind of poster this is. Captain Marvel. That's pretty cool, but I wish I knew who that was. And I'm probably gonna get flack from you guys for not knowing who this is. You can't know all the characters, so. Okay, next item we have Captain Marvel lanyard. This is okay. Nothing too special. I probably would take this off and just put my keys on it or something. This is what the lanyard looks like. The lanyard's actually pretty cool. I do like the colors in it. Okay, next item we have Kapow. This is really cool. I like this pin. It's like old school. Okay, next item we have the Unbeatable Squirrel Girl. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is blank. Okay. So it's a journal, I guess. It's blank. Okay, so it's not a comic. It's a journal. Okay, and the final item is, it's heavy. Whatever this is, it's really heavy. The Black Widow, creating the Avenging Super Spy by Michael Mallory. Okay, let's open this. Ooh, cool. This is actually really awesome. I'm looking forward to checking this out. This is neat. I like this. So yeah, that's it. So I'll give this box I'll give it 7 out of 10. I think that's reasonable. I think the book's awesome. The raglan's sweet. This little journal, I probably won't use it. This poster's pretty cool. Let me give you guys a $5 gift card to Amazon. And if you do cash it out, let me know. So here it is. Okay, that's it. Let me know what you think of this box, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.